In this short tutorial, I will show you how to check app data usage on your Samsung device. By following a few simple steps, you can easily keep track of your app data usage on your Samsung device and stay in control of your mobile data consumption. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Apps. Tap on it. What you want to do next is scroll down this list of apps and find the app that you want to check for data usage. Tap and select the app. For example, I'm going to select Clash Royale. After that, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Usage, and in that section, you'll see an option called Mobile Data. Tap on it. Now you'll see the total mobile data usage over here. And under that, it will show you how much data was used in the foreground and the background. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.